Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Competitive Botany. In this video, you are going to see important MCQs useful for assistant professor notification, JL and DL, etc. So, let's see the questions one by one. Let's see the first question. In the citrate cycle, in which of the following conversions does FAD becomes FADH2? So options are given. First option is succinyl coenzyme A to succinate, alpha ketoglutaric acid to succinyl coenzyme A, isocitrate to alpha ketoglutaric acid, succinate to fumarate. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, you have to answer. So I'm going to reveal the answer. Succinate to fumarate. In C3 cycle, during the conversion of succinate to fumarate, their fourth oxidation step occurs, then FAD is reduced to FADH2. Okay, so let's see the next question. So here two lists given, so you have to match list 1 with the list 2. So we have to match the disease with the causal organism or pathogen. Okay, so the diseases given are blast disease of rice, smut of maize, leaf rust of wheat, leaf blight of rice. Pathogens given are Puccinia graminis tritici, Xanthomonas vorizae, Pyricularia vorizae, Ustilago miridis. So I'm going to match. So blast disease of rice generally caused by Pyricularia vorizae. For the smut of maize, the causal organism is Ustilago maydis. So leaf rust of wheat is caused due to Puccinia graminis tritici. Leaf blight of rice is caused due to Xanthomonas vorizae. Okay, so I'm going to reveal the answer. The third option is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Gynobasic style is found in. Options are Cruciferae, Euphorbiaceae, Labiatae, Compositae. So, gynobasic style is generally found in Lamiaceae or Labiatae family. Okay, so let's see the next question. In ginkgo biloba, which of the following affects the pollination? So, wind, bats, insects, birds. So, ginkgo biloba is a fossil gymnosperm actually. So, it's actually called as a living fossil also. Um, in ginkgo biloba, pollination generally in gymnosperms, pollination generally occurs by wind. Okay, that means anemophily. Okay, so the option 1 is correct. Let's see the next question. Heterothallism is common in. Options are Rhizopus, Agaricus, Bacteria, Spirogyra. Answer is Rhizopus. So here you have to know what is heterothallism. Heterothallism discovered by Blacksley in Rhizopus. So there two gametangia which belong to different physiological strains. That means there he find plus and minus strains. One is regarded as a female and the other is a male. Okay, so these two types of strains, so they're going to met. Okay, so the presence of two types of strains in Rhizopus is called as heterothallism. Okay, so coming to the next question. Hammerling performed grafting experiments in which of the following algae? Options are Zostera, Acetabularia, Cara, Laminaria. So the correct answer is Acetabularia. Okay, so let's see the next question. So consider the following statements. Biological control through antagonism involves. Okay, so the statements four statements given. Parasitism, these are the relationships between organisms. So parasitism, amensalism, competition, predation. So which statements given below are correct? Okay, you have to pick the correct statements related to antagonism. which involves antagonism actually. So let's see the correct answer 2, 3, 4. That means antagonism involves amensalism, competition, and predation. Let's see the next question. Symmetry of the leaves in onion is, options are radial, spiral, bilateral, isobilateral. The correct answer is spiral. Let's see the next question. Coliphase 1 pi 174 contains single stranded RNA, double stranded RNA, as single stranded DNA, double stranded DNA. The correct answer is ssDNA, that means single stranded DNA. Let's see the next question. So match the list 1 with list 2. Here also two lists are given. So list 1 consists the books, list 2 consists the writers. Okay. So I'm going to match list 1 with list 2. So let's see. Genera Plantarum, written by Bantham and Hooker. De Naturalin Plangen Familian, written by Engler and Prantl. Species Plantarum, written by Linnaeus. And Historia Plantarum, written by Theophrastus. Okay, so the correct option is fourth one. Okay, so let's see the next question. So polydactyly in man is due to, options are given, autosomal dominant allele, autosomal recessive allele, autosomal allele, allosomal allele, none of these. So you have to pick the correct one. So before that, you have to know what is polydactyly. So polydactyly is a condition where a person has more than 5 fingers or more than 5 toes. Okay, so that is called polydactyly. Generally, it is a autosomal dominant allele. Okay, so it is carried by, it's a condition carried by a gene which is autosomal dominant gene. Okay, so coming to the next question. In a racemose inflorescence, the flowers are, that means the arrangement of flowers. Okay, so options are given: arranged in basipetal succession, arranged in acropetal succession, of separate sexes, of the same sex. So I'm going to reveal the answer. In racemose inflorescence, the flowers are arranged in acropetal succession. Let's see the next question. Siliqua is a characteristic fruit of the family. Options are Brassicaceae, Solanaceae, Malvaceae, Leguminaceae. The correct answer is Brassicaceae. So Siliqua is a Brassicaceae fruit. Okay. So let's see the next question. So match the list 1 with list 2. Here also uh, two lists are given. So list 1 consists fertilization, triple fusion, pollen tubes, chalazogamy. List 2 consists emissary, treb, Strasburger, Navashin. Okay, so I'm going to match the list 1 with list 2. So let's see. So fertilization is discovered by Strasburger. Triple fusion is discovered by Navashin. Um, Pollen tubes were given first identified by MEC. Chalazogamy first identified by Treb. Okay, so the third option is the correct option. Okay, let's see the next question. A single seeded fruit with a stony pericarp is, options are echin, caryopsis, cypsela, nut. The correct answer is nut is a single seeded fruit. Consists stony pericarp. Let's see the next question. Male flower is reduced to a solitary stamen in, options are verticillasta, cyathium, dicacial cyme, spike. So the correct answer is cyathium. That consists a reduced single male flower. Okay. So let's see the next question. The term virus was coined by. The options are Beijering, Stanley, Loaf, Barden. So the correct answer is Beijering. He coined the term virus. Let's see the next question. PCNV stands for. Options are Provincial Committee on Nomenclature of Viruses, Provincial Committee on Nature of Viruses, Programmed Cell Necrotic Virus, Post Chemotherapy Nausea and Vomiting. The correct answer is Provincial Committee on Nomenclature of Viruses. Let's see the next question. So, the special character of Funaria rhizoids. So, options are presence of cyanobacteria, oblique septa, behave like Hostoria, club shaped. The correct answer is, so the Funaria rhizoids are having oblique septa. That is a special feature of Funaria. Let's see the next question. Find the epiphytic species of Salazinella. Options are Salazinella uh, cruciana, Salazinella rupestris, Salazinella lepidophylla, Salazinella origana. The correct answer is Salazinella origana is a epiphytic species. Let's see the next question. The book Morphology of Vesicular Plants, written by the scientist. Options are Eichler, Engler, Eames, James. The correct answer is Eames. Let's see the next question. The fruit of pineapple is, options are drupe, pepper, pome, sorosis. So I'm going to reveal the answer. Sorosis is a fruit of pineapple. Let's see the next question. Identify test that is used to detect reducing sugars. Options are Benedict's test, Biuret test, emulsion test, none of these. The correct answer is Benedict's test. Let's see the next question. So the amino acid found in protein structure. So options are arginine, proline, histidine, methionine. First you have to understand the question. So amino acid, what is amino acid? Depending upon the chemical nature, chemical structure, amino acids are classified into six different classes. So among them, so proline is containing imino group. That's why proline is called as amino acid. Okay, so proline amino acid is called as amino acid. That means it consists NH group. Okay, so that's why it is regarded as amino acid, proline. Let's see the next question. The thick disc-like part in the pit membrane between complementary bordered pit pair is called. Options are middle lamellum, torus, testa, carbuncle. Let's see the next question. Sorry, let's see the answer. Torus. Let's see the next question. So, colchicine, a chemical mutagen, is obtained from which part of Colchicum autumnale? Options are corm, rhizome, succulent leaves, bulb. The correct answer is corm. Okay. So let's see the next question. Consider the following statements regarding the plant growth substances. Options are the richest concentrations of cytokinins generally occur in endosperm. Ethylene is involved in the formation of parenchyma in submerged roots and stems. Gibberellins are involved in the break of seed dormancy. Cytokinins make dormant buds active. So among these options are given, which statements are correct, you have to pick. So I'm going to reveal the answer. Gibberellins are involved in the break of dormancy, seed dormancy. Cytokinins make dormant buds active. These two statements are correct. That's why fourth option is the correct one. Next question. The gametes taking part in sexual reproduction in rhizopus are, options are multinucleate, uninucleate, binucleate, without nucleus. Okay, so the gametes of rhizopus are nothing but gametangia, are fused in sexual reproduction of rhizopus. So actually they are multinucleate. Let's see the next question. Generally, in laboratory, in the culture of rhizopus, there is no formation of zygospore because options are there is deficiency of oxygen, there is deficiency of light due to the absence of plus and minus strains in the mycelium, presence of plus and minus strains in the mycelium. So the correct answer is, so due to the absence of plus and minus strains in the mycelium, I have already told you heterothallism is absent in the laboratory conditions. Okay, so that's why zygospores are not formed in the laboratory. Let's see the next question. Vivipary seen in which of the following? Options are Selaginella, Lycopodium, Marsilia, Isoates. The correct answer is Selaginella. Okay, so the development of young sporophyte on parent plant is referred as vivipary in Selaginella. Okay, so let's see the next question. Neck canal cells absent in. Options are Funaria, Marsilia, Cycas, and Thuceras. The correct answer is Cycas. Let's see the next question. The hard integument of Cycas ovule is. Options are Tegmen, Sclerotesta, Sarcotesta, Utesta. The correct answer is Sclerotesta. Let's see the next question. Ion exchange hypothesis was proposed by. Options are Kramer, Lundigard, Jenny and Overstreet, Stout and Hoagland. The correct answer is Jenny and Overstreet. Let's see the next question. Osmosis discovered by. Options are Pfeffer, Kramer, Gerdlowski, Nollet. The correct answer is Nollet. Let's see the next question. Pulsation theory proposed by. Options are Boehm, J.C. Bose, Sachs, Strasburg. Answer is J.C. Bose. Let's see the next question. Law of limiting factors proposed by. Options are Blackman, Hill, Kelvin, Von Neil. The correct answer is Blackman. So let's see the next question. Dieback in citrus mainly occurs due to the deficiency of. Options are molybdenum, copper, magnesium, manganese. The correct answer is copper. Let's see the next question. So the twinning of tendrils around the support is a good example of. Options are phototropism, thigmotropism, traumatropism, galvanotropism. So the correct answer is thigmotropism. Okay, so twinning of tendrils around the support is due to thigmotropism, is called as thigmotropism. Let's see the next question. Thymine isolated indole acetic acid or IAA first from. Options are Spirogyra, Rhizopus, Agaricus, Funaria. Correct answer is Rhizopus. Let's see the next question. Chromosomal condition in vegetative hyphae of Rhizopus is. Options are haploid binucleate, diploid multinucleate, haploid multinucleate, polyploidy xenocytic. The correct answer is haploid and multinucleate. Let's see the next question. Photosynthetic bacteria have. Options are chloroplast, chromatophores, chromoplast, leucoplast. So, actually, photosynthetic bacteria contain chromatophores, which are pigmented and membrane associated vesicles. So, they perform photosynthesis in photosynthetic bacteria. Let's see the next question. Thick walled spores of rhizopus formed during unfavorable conditions are called as. Options are conidia, anthrospores, chlamydospores, aplonospores. Correct answer is chlamydospores. They are formed during unfavorable conditions. Let's see the next question. What are phragmoplasts? Options are narrow holes in the cell walls of adjacent cells through which protoplasmic connections are established. The spindle microtubules formed during cell division, which are involved in pulling the chromosomes to the ends of dividing cell. Third option, a set of microtubules formed during cell division to guide the dictyosome vesicles to the site of cell wall formation. So the plastids in ray parenchyma cells of stems that store carbohydrates and other nutrients during dormant periods. Okay, actually, the third answer is the correct one regarding phragmoplast. Phragmoplast is nothing but having a set of microtubules formed during cell division to guide the dictyosome vesicles to the site of the cell wall formation. So actually, from phragmoplast later the middle lamella is formed. Okay, so next. So germ theory of disease was proposed by. Options are Leeuwenhoek, Louis Pasteur, Bold and Tippo, D. Bari. Correct answer is Louis Pasteur. Let's see the next question. Haplodiploidy method of sex determination is found in. Options are Drosophila, maize, honeybee, Neurospora. The correct answer is haplodiploidy method of sex determination found in honeybee. Let's see the next question. Father of epidemiology is Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner, Robert Koch, John Snow. So John Snow is generally regarded as a father of epidemiology. Let's see the next question. The term cryptograms coined by the scientist. Options are Endlicher, Linnaeus, Fritsch, T. Bari. The correct answer is Linnaeus. Let's see the next question. The longest seaweed is. Options are Laminaria, Gracilaria, Macrocystis, Scalarpa. The correct answer is Macrocystis. Let's see the next question. Dextran storage polymer of. Dextran is a storage polymer of. Options are bacteria, fungi, agaricus, claviceps. Correct answer is bacteria. Let's see the next question. Fairy rings are formed by. Options are Rhizopus, Batrachospermum, Spirogyra, Agaricus. The correct answer is Agaricus. Okay, thank you.